back the movie most and turn up the producer?
Yeah, I'm a nobody to back anything, to be honest. I'm just an actor who's trying to do good work. If you pick up the kind of films I have done, it'll give you the reason, whether it's Love, Sex or Dhoka, Bakrapur, Chauranga. These are films with which I've traveled, or even X for that matter. Very experimental, but a film I believed in. Uh, we decided to make it together because it's a script I really believe in, and I like watching commercial cinema. I'm being very honest with all of you. This film is the perfect bridge of content, which is grammatically correct cinema-wise, and appealing enough for the masses, because the genre itself, thrillers, is something that appeals to one and all. So the idea was I was eventually going to produce sometime in life, not this early, but when this film kept shifting hands, we were worried कि कोई और social media पे film ना बना ले, because it's a very hot topic. In fact, we keep discussing this कि we are surprised कि और फिल्में नहीं बन रही हैं. In fact, हम लोग वो comments पढ़ते हैं कि हॉलीवुड की 2 फिल्में बनी हैं, अनफ्रेंडेड और फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट. हम लोग बहुत सरप्राइज्ड हैं कि सिर्फ 2 ही फिल्में बनी हैं दुनिया में. और जस्ट टू स्टेट फैक्ट्स, शशि हैड नरेटेड दिस फिल्म टू मी इन 2011. So the script is registered from Jan 2012, and all these films that people are comparing it to have been made after that. So that should put to rest the idea that this is indeed an original screenplay. Only the backdrop of social media is somewhat similar, and we are very surprised कि अभी तक सिर्फ इंडिया में और फिल्में बनी ही नहीं है. So we were scared कि कोई जल्दी हमसे ना बना ले, क्योंकि ये स्क्रिप्ट घूम रही थी मार्केट में 4-5 साल से, and that's why we decided to take the jump and make it.
It's been 3 years you are into making the film. So
No, it's been 10 months. This film began in April last year, and I think I can put my neck on the line and say that I finished it faster than anyone else can. And I take a lot of pride in that, yes.
Was it more shocking that Bhatt Saab says ki don't watch Mona? First of all, when you heard about it, was it more shocking for you that the guy, people loving, and the way he promotes the film?
It's a very interesting story with Bhatt Saab. He had called me after Love, Sex और धोखा had released. और उन्होंने कहा था, यार मैंने तेरी फिल्म नहीं देखी है, लेकिन मेरी बेटी और बीवी को तू बहुत पसंद आया. So मैं मिलना चाहता था, तो चीज़ क्या है? So मैं उनसे मिलने गया, और मैं ऐसे ही झल्ले की तरह चला जाता हूँ जैकेट वैकेट पहन के. तो उन्होंने कहा, तू बच्चे की तरह लगता है, तू 3-4 साल काम मत ढूंढ, नहीं तो हीरो का काम तुझे नहीं मिलेगा अभी. So from then I met him now, because we made a film which is a genre that their production house specializes in. And he said the trailer is great, but I'm going to tell people not to watch it. So yes, it shocked me at first. At the same time, it made me happy, because he said the trailer is good. So it didn't make sense to me, why is he saying that? And he said, बच्चे मैंने यही चीज़ सड़क के बारे में भी बोली थी, because the content of the film and the energy that it's reflecting through the trailer is something I have not seen in the recent past. So people should digest it differently. And therefore, this whole marketing idea of an anti-campaign came about, and he said, I will voice it for you, because I believe that this is different content which needs to be pushed.
My question is for Anshuman, Susanna, and Divya. You people have worked with Sanjay Suri, sir. He's quite senior to you in this industry. So how was the experience? Were you all guys intimidated with him?
Well, it didn't feel like, you know, he was, we've grown up watching him, and Jankar Beats has been...
Don't say that. Don't make him feel old.
No, I mean, yeah, I was
We've
a
not
teenager.
grown up watching him. We were in our teens when we started watching him.
The time we used to like actually pay attention to the men in the film.
I've grown up watching
I've grown
Nasiruddin
up,
Shah.
yes.
She grew up late.
She grew up late.
That's all right.
So anyway, but I think he made us very comfortable. In fact, my first scene was with him, and I was literally shivering, I remember. And I think it's just his aura, the way he is. He's so composed, and he's such a gentleman. He'll always make you feel like, I didn't feel like a newcomer who was working with him for the first time. So he's very warm. I think he's one of the most warmest actors I've worked with.
Thank you, thank you.
I was petrified.
Which is why you're sitting next to
Still
me
is.
now.
I'm still petrified. But yeah, I remember the first day you told me you don't have to be like other serious actors and stay in character if you don't want to. You can do it your own way. You don't have to pretend to be a serious actor or stay in the character and stress yourself over this. Just you know you've learned the lines, you know you've done all the work, now just get out there and act. Stop pretending to be an actor.
Anti-act campaign.
Anti-actor campaign.
That actually really calmed me down and actually helped me do that day. Otherwise, I would have been a wreck that day. So thank you.
I worked with him in Chauranga. So I had this image of Sanjay Suri before I went on set. Because I had only met Bikas Mishra, who directed Chauranga, and Onir, who was one of the producers, along with Sanjay. So my first interaction with him was very strange because he was everything else than what I had imagined. So there is a hardcore, funny Punjabi in Sanjay Suri, and I request the industry to make a comedy with him where he gets to, I call him Bobby Pra with love, because he has a side to him which I hope we see in a film sometime soon. As an actor, he's very giving, and I'm not saying that because he's just sitting here. It's fabulous for someone as senior as him and as seasoned as him to not just tell you and share with you his experiences, but also listen to what you're saying. And he always has a ear, and he's always open to discussions and always open to ideas, which I feel very comforting as an actor, because it's never yahi karna hai. It's ye bhi kar sakte hain, ye bhi kar sakte hain, ye bhi kar sakte hain, let's jam together. And acting is a very organic process. So it's great to be with an actor who gives you that space and that freedom. And I personally love him. He's like an elder brother now. He's been guiding me through while I was producing this. I think everyone was a little surprised at the pace at which the film's been made. And
Congratulations for that. And thank you all for such lovely words. Itni
Yeah.
तारीफ and इतना उम्र का तकाजा दे दिया. लेकिन but thank you very much, Anshuman, Susanna, Divya, and Shashi. Thank you for this opportunity to work with Gen Z. इसके दो जवाब हैं. एक तो होता है कि चैलेंजिंग नहीं, बट हर एक्टर को हर परफॉर्मेंस से पहले थोड़ी नर्वसनेस, आई थिंक वो अच्छी बात है, क्योंकि वो आपको आपकी कितनी तैयारी है. अगर आप किसी पहाड़ से या आप स्काई डाइविंग भी कर रहे हैं, जितना बढ़िया से बढ़िया डाइवर भी हो, एक थोड़ी नर्वसनेस क्या करता है कि आपको प्रिपेयर बेटर करता है, आप कॉशियस होते हैं. तो उस तरीके से जब भी मैं परफॉर्म करता हूँ, चाहे कोई बहुत मुझसे सीनियर एक्टर हो या कोई नया टैलेंट हो, तो एक पॉजिटिव नर्वसनेस होती है वो कि आपकी तैयारी है. और बट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स टू ऑल ऑफ देम. इन्होंने, मैं बिकॉज ऑफ सम डेट्स रीडिंग्स के लिए ज़्यादा नहीं आ सका था वर्कशॉप्स के लिए, बट आप इनका काम देखेंगे और अगर इनके साथ अब आप आगे फिल्म में भी देखेंगे, और जब सेट पर दे वाज सो प्रिपेयर्ड दैट आई डोंट थिंक शशि हैड टू गो इनटू थर्ड टेक, फोर्थ टेक और समथिंग, कोई टेक्निकल फॉल्ट होगा वगैरह. परफॉर्मेंस वाइज they were fully prepared and very confident. Yes, and they were also actors who, कई एक्टर होते हैं वो अकेले एक्टिंग करते हैं, वो दूसरे को सुनते नहीं हैं. तो आई लाइक एक्टर्स हु एक्ट विद यू. अब आप बात कर रहे हैं, आपने सवाल पूछा, मैं आपसे जवाब दे रहा हूँ. अगर आप कुछ बोल रहे हैं, मैं किसी और जोन में हूँ, तो ये दे एक्ट विद यू. सो विच इज फिर वो मज़ा आता है, फिर सम मैजिक हैपन्स. आई थिंक दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड रिगार्डिंग सीनियर्स और जूनियर्स, यूर इन अ कैरेक्टर देयर, वो पहले थोड़ा सा होता है. आई मीन हम भी जब नए आए थे तो यू नो वर्क विद सीनियर एक्टर्स, तो एक थोड़ा रहता है कि कैसे, बट आई थिंक just in a scene or two, all that, you just, it's a level playing field. Yeah, that's all.